good night. Come back with me, Aida, and my YouTube channel. Okay, for you guys, don't forget to dinner with your family or your friend or your partner, and stay safe. Yeah, the first, I just make a vlog just for 5 10 minutes. And today I just little rest first and make a vlog again. Yeah, this afternoon I have one activity up at my campus always. Um, we really busy. Okay, and yeah, okay, just continue. But no, just continue. Okay, guys, we want to talk about uh what again for this night. Okay, just random again. I don't think about my topic for this night. Today I'm more eat chocolate. Chocolate. Yep. Yeah, because I have more chocolate cake for this night. Yeah, I have chocolate. More. I really like chocolate. Even a drink chocolate, cake chocolate, or chocolate, original chocolate. Yeah, I'm more like chocolate, but I have a favorite flavor for chocolate. I have a taro flavor. You know, and I like little strawberry. Strawberry. Yeah, you say strawberry or strawberry? Yeah, it's same. Um, yeah. Today, I eat some milk. No, eat, just drink. Yeah, drink. Sorry. My friend and me, my friend asked me go to market and going to buy milk, some milk, because we really want to drink milk. So before we go back home, we buy um, milk first and going home again. So at motorcycle we just drink milk and enjoy to ride riding. Guys, see, today we just not long at your at our campus because no more student. Yeah, no more student. Maybe the student is busy. That's why the student come back again at free day next week. And we always waiting for new student because we are leader. Okay, guys. Okay, just talk more until 5 10 minutes. Yeah, in Indonesia, uh, weather is really sunny and hot, real hot day every day. Yes. What about your country, guys? It same like Indonesia. Indonesia, especially Lombok. Yeah, Lombok is really hot, and Bali is really hot. Yeah, I know that. Maybe in other countries, not tropical weather like like Indonesia, tropic, tropic. That's why we really need sunscreen in here Indonesia when you live in Indonesia. Um, and guys, sorry. Um, maybe I just want to our topic. Yeah, my topic is more about my study, study because I'm student. Well, I see my viewer from Malaysia. What the hell? I think just Indonesian to watch my video. But wow, Malaysia people? Well, are you feel bored, guys? And you find my video? You watch my video? Wow, it's so interest. But I'm so nervous. Because I just learn for speak English every day in the morning, afternoon, and night. Has made me feel like wow, it's more stalking my account. Even my account is not famous. I feel nervous. Yeah, just flow our topic, guys. It's not make you bored or something. Just enjoy to watch this video because this video just for fun and just for my excitement. Yes, especially my excitement because I don't forcing you guys for watching my video. Even my video still on your homepage. Just skip if you don't like this my video because this is a blog for learn English. It's not for I'm not vlogger guys. See, just learn English. English. I mean English. Sorry typo. I say as a Gen Z I say typo mouth. It's not typo for typing only guys, but your mouth can typo. Oh my god, so random. More jokes for me because I'm so funny person. It's not monotone. I'm not one monotone. I'm not being like so serious more person if I feel comfortable here. Just funny child, yes. Still child guys. Guys. Mm, yeah, if you ask me, um, how was your day? Yes, if you say how was my day today is more tired because I'm not have energy. Even I'm more lunch and breakfast, but still I feel like weak because more sunny day here, and yeah, I'm still prefer for today, and my energy still stuck little, and I just forcing. I'm so sorry for myself first because I'm forcing myself to stay for doing activity at my campus. Maybe I need rest. I'm not one forcing myself because make me feel so really bad for myself. I think I must for make or just rest first and save my energy and doing already doing well. I'm not want to seek you because I have a middle test for this month. That's why I'm so scared for not join my class every day. Yeah, it's not forcing sometimes when I think, but sometimes I think this is my I always forcing myself. It's really not good, guys. Don't do like me. Don't do that like me. Just for professional person. If you're not professional like me, no, no, don't follow me. Follow me, okay? Yeah, today as like every day I feel like so tired and feel sleepy. Look at my eyes. It feel like so really sleepy here. This is normal, guys, because I have so many activity at my campus, at my house. That's why I feel like so fast sleepy. Oh my gosh, I feel like so hard my pronunciation, but I try again and again until I can perfect for my English, speak English, and want to interaction with foreigner. And what else? Today I'm speed for ride my motorcycle. This is the one my hobby. When I feel like sad or happy, I always ride my motorcycle. Is speed, and if I'm if I'm going campus, or I come back home, I'm really always to doing this. It's made me like, wow, this is just a little healing for making my mind better again and not stress again. Sorry, because I'm so sleepy, guys. I really want to go with my friend just for ride motorcycle and make me have energy again sometimes, or just with my myself. I don't need anyone, just with me with myself. It's really enough for me. What about you? Are you feel like this, like me, guys? I'm gonna sleep here with my mom. I don't know my mom here. It's nothing my mom here. Sorry, I need to continue my video. Sorry, because automatic out. My video automatic out. I'm reflect. Can I have a little test for making a food and for sale and this little test with my friend, more friend, and yup, make a video just for little test, little assignment. before make video, I just finished for take a bath first. Yeah, because if you not take a bath, you not feel comfortable to going sleep at night, guys. So my suggestion is, if you wanna sleep and more comfortable, you can take a bath first. Take a bath first, or taking a shower. It's make me more comfortable. Okay, I think my time is already over today, and I just want to say thank you for your attention again to see my video, to watch my video, and you take your time for watch my video. And okay, bye bye.